Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I wanted to do a straight to the point but very in-depth video on Bitcoin. I'm going to give you two different targets for the Bitcoin price, and this is something you do not want to miss. As you see in front of me here, we have the actual Bitcoin price or Bitcoin chart, and I think it's going even lower than it has done already. So let's just dive in here. So we have it's on a downward trend here, and I do not think this is very positive because we had higher highs than the previous, and we also had a higher high than the previous, and this is where things get quite ugly in my opinion here. So I think we could actually go as low as probably here, but this is the first place we need to go below, because look at this here. You see a lot of red candles there. That's not a good thing to see in a chart, okay? Just saying. So if you are on a long position on Bitcoin, I would suggest you stop that now, because this is going down. And 51,900 is the first point I think is going to happen. But this is the lowest it could actually get. And I haven't seen anyone on YouTube talk about this, so I wanted to do a straight to the point video and a kind of a suggestion to everybody out there in the trading world. If you're going to trade, this is not a place where you actually put in any trade at the moment. If you have a long trade in, I would stop it immediately, okay? Just saying. So this was all for today's video, and 51,000 is the worst case scenario here, but I think we could actually go lower. If it suddenly comes a lot of green candles there, I think $51,000 is a Bitcoin price before a new pump will eventually happen. But this isn't a good chart to see, because as you see here, if we activate this here, it's kind of inside the actual place here, and usually you want to see it inside here, but you do not want to see it as low as here, because if we go over to, let's say, the 4-hour chart here, then you will actually see it actually broke below this level here. So this is a new indicator I started to use. It's called MRC. Just search for it and you can get the same. If you want me to do a video on these two indicators here, I use two AI indicators and I use these two here. So I switch up a bit on the indicators, but this is not a positive chart in my personal opinion. So this was all for today's Bitcoin video. I hope you all have a great day. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with all of your wonderful friends. Hope you all have a great day. Take care.